Good afternoon everyone, welcome back with me again. Okay, so this time I'm here in Sanur area. This is Sanur Beachside, guys. This is the situations, and here is the Hyatt by Regency, and as you can see the beach is really good, and we had some rain in the morning, and this time it is okay, no rain has stopped. Anyway, why I come here today, because I have received a short video saying that there was a big wave and hit some of the restaurants badly. So let's walk around here in this area and let's see the situations at the moment. At this time, it is almost dinner time actually, around 6:30. Still there are quite a lot of tourists enjoying their time here. This is part of the Hyatt by Regency in Sanur. But anyway, if you don't stay here, there is also some local people that are renting sunbeds for you to spend your time, guys. And from here you can see some of the pool. Anyway, they have a lot of pools here. I think one of the biggest hotel or resort here in Sanur, right? What do you think? There's restaurants here as well. Last time I was invited to come here to this restaurant. If the weather is good, a lot of people like to see it here. But since raining on and off, most of the people are sitting indoor there. Let's have a quick look what they have here, guys. Pizzeria, tomato bruschetta 85k, tuna carpaccio 135, a lot of salads, pastas, and also a lot more here. Some of the food I don't even know how to pronounce it, like this one. Would you like to come here maybe? And as you can see, the beach is quite nice, yeah? It is very clean, I can say. And the water is also good. What is this? Because it's a high tide, I think. You can swim here. It is just nice. It's very safe to swim. But if you love surfing, I don't think this beach is good because the wave is very far inside there. But for swimming, it's really good. I really need to drink water at the moment. There is a local warung here. Let's go and buy water. Bu, ada aqua, Bu, ya?
Wah, tapi nggak dingin, Pak.
Nggak apa-apa. Tiang nyari yang nggak dingin. Kasih.
Baru buka soalnya.
Ya.
Kak, susunya berapa?
Normally here, there are a lot of sunbeds that you can rent. Last time I asked, the price is only like 50 or something, guys. It's much cheaper. But unfortunately at this time, most of them have closed already. And also they have a spa as well here. If you come at afternoon, there will be a lot of local people offering spa. But look at this, guys. This is what happened. It is La Playa Cafe. Wow. It is bad actually. It was a lot of table chairs before here, but unfortunately this is what happened now. But still you can sit inside area here. The wave must be really big. It destroyed everything here, guys. But this area is still okay, yeah? Only there are some of the glasses there broken, but still good. Anyway, it's getting busy now. It's dinner time, 6:30. Wow, what is this? Happy hour. Buy two, get one free. Arak. What is this? Arak Bum Bum?
Arak bubur.
Arak bom bom.
Yeah.
Okay. Arak
Yeah,
bom
this
bom.
one is for the happy hours on the arak bum bum, arak mojito, and then arak sunrise.
Why they call it arak bom bom?
Arak bum bum, arak, blue curacao and lemongrass.
Ah, okay.
Yes. You want
Thank
try?
you, makasih ya. Okay, let's continue. This is Coco Bistro in Sanur. Anyway, this restaurant is really famous. They have few restaurants, also other area, I think. It's getting busy. Hello.
Rasa awak kau dah malis Pak ya?
Hello. Wah, special menu. Bu, bisa lihat ya? They have green curry for 65k. They have chicken, fish, what is this? Fish finger, fried chicken breast or fish. They have snapper, 95k, fresh oyster, and happy hour cocktail. I think most of the restaurants here they have happy hour drink, guys. From what time? I don't have the time here. So anybody of you want to come here? Anyway, you still can find a lot of restaurants as well. So a lot of options in this area. And this one, I think most of you know about this cafe or restaurants, Lila Pantai. Anyway, I think it's the most popular cafe here in this area. It's always busy, not only lunch or dinner time. Anybody need massage? The Nest Beachside Spa. Okay, let's keep walking a little bit more in this area. What I like from the Sanur area is the vibe. It's just very relaxing vibe. No beach club, something like that. And I hope, I don't know, it was on the poster last time I saw nearby or just beside of the 7 icon there will be new beach club, guys. Let's see in the future how it will be. Hopefully the vibe is still the same. It's quiet, relaxing in this area in Sanur. And here it is part of the Intercontinental Hotel Sanur. Anybody of you planning to stay here maybe? Here is the beach side. This area is clean, but that side, I don't know what it's that, yeah? Black color. What is that? Look at that. What is this, guys? It is natural waste, but I don't know how to call it in English. What is this in English? Yeah. Anyway, let's go back and keep walking around in this area. Look at this restaurant. It's very busy, but very quiet. I mean, not so noisy. So I need to keep my voice down. I don't want to disturb people here enjoying their dinner. Normally they have live music here, guys, but maybe we'll start later. And we are arriving here at this beach, Sembawang Beach, I think the name, if not mistaken. There are a lot of traditional boats here. They use it for fishing maybe, or snorkeling or diving, something like that. This is another spa, the Nest Spa. Looks nice place. Have you tried spa here? Hello. Avocado lovers. Want to try this cafe? Basically, they have menus from avocados, drinks, cake, something like that. Look at this. The parking is full. I think this cafe is really busy. Stuja di Pantai. This cafe is busy because they are very famous in the social media. And a lot of domestic tourists, they like to come here. Look at this. It's really busy. I have the live music as well here. And if you like to try a lot of food at not night market, yeah, kind of like local warung, yeah, local warung area. There is one here nearby Semawang Beach, or still part of the Semawang Beach, I can say. So here is the area. Area belanja or area belanja. Belanja means shopping. But anyway, there are a lot of warung, local warung. So you can have your dinner here. Unfortunately, it's not really busy at the moment, guys. And start from here. You will see a lot of warung like this. They are selling food. This is the menu here like this. Nasi goreng, chapchai, and many more. And here.
Delicious.
Delicious. Hello. Let's have a look here maybe. Special grill. Fish. Hope you see it. Fillet snapper fish, dessert. Special seafood here. Indonesian food. Wow, it looks yummy. Chicken curry. Look at this, guys. Nasi goreng, it's only 20k. Chicken, nasi goreng chicken, only 30k. So the price is very good. And here also. Saya order ini dong, nasi goreng seafood dong.
Nasi goreng seafood.
Ya.
Pedas.
Enggak.
Enggak.
Di sini boleh bebas ya?
Yang warna merah aja punya saya.
Oh, yang warna merah. Yang lurus ini?
Ya, lurus ini punya saya.
Oh ya. Kasih ya.
Nasi goreng seafood ya.
Ya. So let's sit here. Same nice view as well, guys. Beach view. Here is my food. Look at this. It's really big portion anyway. It comes with some kerupuk or crackers, fried egg, and some tomato and also cucumber. I've done my dinner and the food is really good. It's very nice, but I don't understand why this kind of place is very quiet, as you can see. Still very quiet, guys. The price is good. The place is also nice, as you can see by the beach here in Sanur. You should try Indonesian food while you are here in Bali. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again in the next one. Thank you very much and bye now.